channel. Please share it with your near and dear. Now let us learn to, the usage of to as an adverb. We use to in different ways. So what those different sentences in which we use to, let us see today. Okay, and number one, now let me explain. To is really an adverb. It is used with adjective. Okay, so so with adjective in 4 different types we use this to. Okay, for to adjective, to gives generally negative meaning. So normally it gives negative meaning. In what way it gives negative meaning, we can understand. The mango is too sweet. When you say the mango is too sweet, so it is giving some negative sense. The mango is too sweet means I can't eat it. So when you feel that you can't eat it, we use the mango is too sweet. If it is favorable sweet for you, then generally you use the mango is very sweet, I like it, you say. The mango is very sweet, I like it. Very sweet you use. But if you want to give the negative meaning to it, then what do you say? The mango is too sweet, I can't eat it. So too plus adjective. Too plus sweet. Sweet is adjective. So the mango is too sweet. When you say, so you can't eat it. The sense is that, okay, you are not in a position to eat it. You are not able to eat it. So in such conditions you can use the mango is too sweet. And in the same way, for example, he is too tall. When you say, I can't marry him. So your meaning is negative here. So that's why you have used he is too tall. Tall is adjective. Too tall. Too tall means that you cannot marry him also, as he is very tall like that. So for giving negative meaning, generally we use to in this way, right? In such ways we can use to plus adjective in one way. And the second way is to plus adjective plus for something. Shobha is too young for any job. For something means for any job. Shobha is too young for any job means she can't do any job because she is young. She is not old enough. She is not old enough to do any job. So as she is young, too young, she cannot do any job. That's why we can say Shobha is too young for any job, for something. He is too weak for any race. So as he is weak, he cannot participate in any race. That's why we say he is too weak for any race. So too weak for any race. So too weak for anything means for any race. Like that we can use sentences. And to plus adjective plus to infinitive. He is too weak to walk means he is so weak that he cannot walk. The meaning of this is he is so weak that he cannot walk. To give such sense we use he is too weak to walk. Meaning is negative. He is so weak that he cannot walk. The water is too cold to drink. The water is so cold that we cannot drink, or you cannot drink. So as such sense is needed, we use the water is too cold to drink. In this way we use. You see, he is too weak to walk. To infinitive means 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1 is called as to infinitive. So that's why, okay, he is too weak to walk. To walk is to infinitive. The water is too cold to drink. To drink is infinitive. Like that we use in our day-to-day life. Okay. Next, to plus adjective for someone to infinitive. The tea is too sweet. Too sweet. For someone means for Leslie. To infinitive is 2 plus infinitive to drink. The tea is too sweet for Leslie to drink. Means the two is so sweet that Leslie cannot drink it. The tea is so sweet that Leslie cannot drink it. The meaning of it is like that. And the box is too heavy for me to lift. The box is so heavy that I cannot lift it. That is the meaning of it. So the box is too heavy for me, for someone, for me to lift. So in this way, we use to in 4 different sentences. Okay, this is the usage of to. Now let's learn enough. We can use enough. Okay, let me explain how to use enough. Enough is used, enough means sufficient. The meaning of enough is sufficient. But this word is used differently, okay, just like in 4 sentences. Okay, adjective or adverb plus enough. The mango is sweet enough. So this is sweet is adjective, and after that we are able to use enough. Sweet, sweet, enough. The mango is sweet enough. Means it is enough for sweet for me. I can eat it like that. So when it is satisfactory for us, we use in this way. Okay, the mango is sweet enough. And he is not experienced enough. Experienced. Here third forms of verbs work as adjectives, so it is working as adjective here. After adjective, enough. And sometimes you see after adverbs also. For example, he speaks English fluently enough. Fluently is adverb, and after that we can use enough. He speaks English fluently enough. The policeman ran fast enough. The policeman ran fast is adverb, enough. The policeman ran fast enough. So in this way we can use after adjective or after adverb we can use enough. Okay, in this way enough is used. Now next adjective plus enough plus to infinitive. Right, the mango is sweet enough. The mango is sweet enough to eat. To infinitive. To eat. The mango is sweet enough to eat. He is experienced enough. He is experienced enough to do the job. To do, infinitive. And in the same way you can, the idli is hot enough to eat. Okay, the water is warm enough to drink. Like that we can use. Now next, adjective plus enough plus for something or someone. He is not old enough for any job. For something, for any job. He is not old enough for any job. And for some person like that, the mango is sweet enough for me. For some person it is like that. For something he is like that. To show that he is not old enough for any job, the mango is sweet enough for me. Like that you can say, the mango is sweet enough for them, for Shobha, for Raju, for Krishna. Like that we can use. Okay, and here enough plus noun. We have enough money. Money is noun. So after enough we can use nouns also. After enough we use nouns. Okay, India has enough resources. It's also noun. We have enough time to do. We have enough time to do. Or we don't have enough time to do that. Such a way, so we can use enough plus noun also. In these 4 types, we use enough in our day-to-day life. Thank you for watching this channel. We'll meet in the next episode.